So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your profile bio on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, simply go to your profile page. So I'm on it right now, but let's just say you're on the search bar, for example. Just go to the bottom right and press on the picture that looks like a person. So in the bottom right, press on your profile. Then once you're on this screen, press on where it says edit profile. So right above Threads and right below where it says followers, press on edit profile. Then to edit your profile bio, simply just press on bio and where it says write a bio. So if I wanted to write a bio, I will say, this is my bio. And once that is done, you can just press on done. So if I press on done right here, I can now press on done once again to edit my profile. So once that is done, there you go. I have now edited your profile bio on Threads. I hope this video helped.